NAP का mock, NMAT का mock, CMAT का mock, CET का mock, any one mock, if you get more than that marks, more than what you're getting in the CAT exam, idle time to move to the other exam. Trust me, हर exam का preparation is different from CAT. SNAP, NMAT, CMAT, CET, TIS, IFT, all of them are totally different ball game. CAT is the different level altogether. ZAT also is tough, but I don't consider that ZAT to be tough. ZAT का पेपर खोलो, CAT से easy आता है. People don't study for ZAT. Then how can you claim the paper is to be tough? Yeah, CAT you prepare for 4 months. ZAT you do for 2 days, 3 days. तो कैसे होएगा यार? Okay, so this is the test to take. Let's move the focus on non-CAT exam. ठीक है, for that I'm going to make a video how to prepare for the non-CAT exam because सबका preparation same है. Logic, every exam here, IFT, CMAT, TIS have the same kind of logic which is different from the CAT exam. Same kind of focus on vocabulary and grammar. Same kind of question in quant. Every question you have seen earlier. CAT, every question is a new type of question. Every question in the CAT exam make me think whether I have prepared something or not. But here the main advantage is I've seen everything. So if you can't do it, let's move the focus to the non-CAT exam. Alright, all the best. Okay, now problem number 1 is me. यार मैं ही बेकार हूँ. I am not able to perform anywhere. How can I score well in the exam? Problem number 1. Problem number 2 can be the CAT exam. Because CAT is such an exam that we cannot do in the CAT exam. CAT is a test match. I'm not made for the test match. I'm made for T20. Third is the non-CAT exam. CET, SNAP, NMAT, all the non-CAT exam. Yeah. Okay. Let us take example. I'm not performing well in the CAT exam, but I did well in the SNAP exam. Easy 1 hour का paper, I got more than 15. तो भाई अभी move कर दो, shift your focus to this exam. Yeah. What if I am scoring 0 here also? In the SNAP marks also, I'm not able to perform. I got 8 marks, 10 marks. Then guys, the problem is with you. Then you need to improve yourself. Then maybe let's try to get a good college this year. In case you're not getting a good percentile, we can get in focus non-CAT exam. Otherwise, we can go for the next year. It's no problem at all. Yeah. Anyway, trust me guys, if you score less than 80 percentile in any of the exam, there is no value. There is no good college. No good college which have good ROI. Degree मिलेगा, yes, you'll get a good degree. You will become an MBA. Placement नहीं मिलेगा, तो साला फ़ायदा क्या होगा यार? Imagine at the age of 24, 25, you are not working. तेरे को घर वाले नहीं छोड़ेंगे. Okay, so I need to identify that what is the main problem. We have tried CAT. I'm not performing well in the CAT exam. So maybe CAT is not my cup of tea, but I can't let it go. Yeah, so let's move the focus to the non-CAT exam. Yeah, the moment I move the focus to, I'm not saying leaving CAT. I am making CAT as a captain is not performing. I am making SNAP exam as the captain of my team. Then I'll give CAT exam without any pressure. Trust me, you will score much more. Yeah. If you do CAT exam with the black books, black is our CET ka books. Yeah. You give CAT exam preparing from the black book, you'll score more score than the people who are under a lot of stress because of the CAT exam, because of the level of difficulty of the CAT exam. Are you with me? So this is the test to take. Give one. Hi guys, this video is for the students who are scoring less than 40 marks in your CAT ka mocks. So we have 3 options in front of you. So we'll talk about each of the option one by one. So first of all, those scoring less than 40 marks. Yeah, actually one student just called me up and she was almost crying कि sir score नहीं आ रहा, ये है वो है. So whatever I told to her, I'm going to tell here in the same video. So less than 40 marks. So if you are scoring less than 40 marks, तो 3 चीज़ें. Number 1, we still can do CAT exam. आराम से 40 to 80 आराम से you can reach. Yeah, you can improve in this 30 days का crash course. So I'm going to upload this video 30 days का crash course. Just follow this timetable and let's try to improve that. You can see the link coming up in the video. You can check it out. So those who still have hope on CAT, yes, let's do it. हो सकता है, ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं हो सकता यार. We are Indian student यार. All our life हमने 30 days में सारी उम्र एग्जाम निकाले यार. Yeah. So number 1 thing, yes, we can crack the CAT exam. It's still possible. So let's work on that. Option number 2 is let's move to the non-CAT exam. See, CAT is a different ballgame altogether. I've seen many students who have flopped in the CAT exam but did very well in the other exams. For example, one student, she got 65 percentile in the CAT exam, 65. Yeah. After 3 months in the CET exam, she got 99.66. अब बताओ यार, the person have not changed overnight. The pattern have changed. See, Virat Kohli is a player who can play in every format. Otherwise, CAT I consider to be a test match. आराम से खेलो. Every match, every ball is going to be tough. CET non-CAT exam, all the exams are like T20 match, speed game. NMAT, SNAP, CMAT, CET, TIS, IFT. All the non-CAT exam apart from that are T20 match. You got 60 seconds per question or even less. Yeah. So the strategy have to change for the non-CAT exam. उसके लिए easy way out is give snap का mock as well. This is exactly what I told her. Give snap का mock. Yeah. She is scoring around approximately 30 marks in the CAT mock. Sir, every mock I'm studying 12 hours, 10 hours every day, but I'm still scoring 30 marks. एक बार भी 30 के ऊपर नहीं गया. I'm losing my confidence. My performance is going down. My pressure is going up because I'm not scoring more than 30 marks. So I told her to give a snap का mock. Snap is the easiest mock to give because that's the smallest exam. 60 minutes का test यार. Fine. And in that mock, you have to score 15 plus. Those who joined CET, you have got the mocks for all the exams. So give a Simbica mock. Give it today only. Okay. Now, if you're scoring CAT 30 marks in 2 hours ka time, snap in 1 hour, if you're scoring above 15, iska matlab you are good. See, I first want to identify problem kidhar hai. There are 3 problems we are facing. So 15 plus if you do, so mean you can do very well in the non-CAT exam. भाई अभी टाइम है, ये तुम्हारा जो CAT का शिप डूब रहा है, leave the ship and move to the non-CAT exam. I know it's not easy to leave. Why? Because I've invested so much in my coaching classes. I've dreamed so much about IIM Ahmedabad. But क्या करें यार, नहीं स्कोर बढ़ रहा, क्या करें? उसका बेचारे का 30 के ऊपर स्कोर नहीं आ रहा है. Okay. So if you're scoring 15 plus, good. If you're scoring less than 15, then what to do? Let's look at the second part now.